All right, what is going on, everybody? Out for a ride today. We are heading to the store. Wife's going with me today. It is Saturday, September 17th, 1:58 in the afternoon. And it is 90 degrees and sunny. The high for today is 91 and the low is 61. It feels pretty good out here today. So we're just heading to the store. The dog has no food, so we got to get him some food. Just remember, when we get up here to the road, let me kind of get in front of you so I can see what's coming.
All right.
And just remember, when you turn up here, stay on the shoulder of the road. All right, you need to get over to the right some. There's a car coming.
Behind us?
Yeah, there's a car behind us.
There's a car in front of us too. And another one.
Yeah. And I don't know how the audio is going to work on this video. I've got her mic'd up too. So I've never mic'd us both up. So I hope the audio turns out good.
Mama's gone to Pioneer.
Oh, did she?
Yeah. See Uncle Richard. Oh, I hate that bomb.
All right, just remember, whenever you turn onto the road, stay on the shoulder.
You get in front of me.
Okay. All right, come on, just stay on the shoulder. There's cars coming behind us, so you got it. That lady slowed down and stopped and let me go that was turning right. To the other one, there's a lot of stopping you have to do. This one's just a straight shot. It's easier to ride. still remember how we're gonna go to the parking lot?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the one over there by Fox's Pizza.
I know. You got yours revved up where it goes faster?
Yeah.
Well, mine needs to be like that.
It is. Are you going over 20 miles an hour?
Yeah.
Then it's cranked up. If it wasn't cranked up, you couldn't go over 20 miles an hour. So you're wanting to go faster? What gear do you have your bike in?
5.
No, I'm not talking about the pedal assist. I'm talking about that thing over there on the right that has the red arrow on it. What number is it pointing to?
6.
Okay.
Why?
I was just wondering. That's what I got mine on.
Does that make?
Well, the lower the number, the easier it is to pedal. But you don't want it too low unless you're going up a big hill.
Drink.
Do what? I couldn't understand you.
I need a drink.
Oh, a drink?
Yeah.
I'll get you a Coke when I go in there. And for all you that are watching the video, she has a drink in her hand all day long.
Can I get over?
Let me go ahead and get in front of you. All right, just keep on coming and following me. All right, let's get over. I'm gonna come up here and just ride to me and I'll help you stop, okay?
All right.
All right, I'm gonna go in and you can leave your intercom on. I'll turn mine off.
Okay.
Nice electric.
Thank you.
All right. There it is.
Welcome. Please scan your first item.
Well, where's the barcode? There it is.
Insert cash or select payment type.
Like y'all bikes.
Oh, thank you.
How much they cost?
They're 1,000 a piece.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
man. Well, I can just look them up online or go
Yeah, this is the company. Lectric.
Yes, sir. All right, thanks.
It's like electric, but without the E on the front.
All right.
Yeah,
I might
yeah, they're
invest-
nice.
I am investing in one of those.
Yeah.
That's the fourth person that's coming up and asking me about
Oh,
it.
really? You ready? Is it nice and cold, that coat? You look like Hollywood with your glasses on. And we'll put it in your bag, I guess.
Put it on that side. Put it up.
Now, let me get it out for you. Now look, just ride around in the parking lot until I
Okay.
get on my bike. All right, you ready?
No.
I got you.
Okay.
I went ahead and put it in too.
Okay, thank you.
All right. You ready?
Your tire's low.
It looks like it, don't it?
Real low.
Yeah, turn back around here to me. Oh man, look at that. I've got a flat. Must have run over something.
What are you gonna do?
Well,
Huh?
here.
What are you gonna do?
Oh, let go of the thing. Oh, that was me holding it, wasn't it?
What are you gonna do?
Well, I guess Kirsten's gonna have to come get us. I must have ran over something. There, coming. Yep. Got a flat. I bet I got a nail in it somewhere. So, Sorry about that.
You can't make it home? It wasn't that low when you were on it.
No, but it's flat. Come here and mash it. See? I mean, look at it down there. Come over here and look.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get Kirsten. I call Kirsten and tell her she'll have to go get the cross. She'll have to go get the cross.
You got a key in your pocket?
Well, aren't yours up there? Hey, Kirsten. Where are you at?
Taylor.
You fixing to leave? Well, we need you to go on and leave and come over here to Max Fresh Market by Drew and
Bring my key.
Get your mother, and then
Get my mama's key.
and then y'all gonna have to go to the house and get the cross and come get the bike. I got a flat, and you need to come on and go because I got Jeremiah's dog food out here.
To ask her if my keys are in that thing.
She's gonna come get you first, and then y'all gonna go get the cross and bring it back.
Why? Just get the cross.
I know. Yeah, but I'm trying to get you out of the heat right now.
Just tell her to go get the cross.
Okay, go home and get the cross and then come back. Okay?
Ask her if my keys are in
All
that
right.
thing.
And her keys should be there on the wine table. All right, bye. All right, let's
We'll go up in the shack.
let's walk the bikes up there because I can't ride mine. I can't ride mine.
Well, I can.
But you cannot start and stop by your. Okay, well look, wait a minute. There's a car coming. I'm gonna get you started, and you just ride around the parking lot until I get up there. Okay?
Okay.
Let's wait for that car to come around. Wait a minute. Okay. Just ride around the parking lot.
Okay.
All right, guys. I got a flat. I don't know what I hit, but what I ran over, but it's flat. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed. My daughter's gonna come get us.
Where was she?
At Taylor's.
She leaving now?
Yeah.
You tell her to go home and get the cross?
Yeah.
And just come here?
Yeah. You gonna come back and get me?
Hmm?
You gonna come back and get me?
What do you mean?
Oh, well.
I'll just follow y'all.
No, I'll ride the bike home. All right, everybody. I guess that's the end of this video. Got a flat tire, so got to get the daughter to come get us. It's riding on that stupid road, get flats. So, and you can see how flat it is. But I'm sure there's a nail in it somewhere. The guy that works at that store that has a bike, an e-bike too, he said he's gotten 8 flats on that road. So, nothing surprising. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. And see y'all in the next one. Later.